departure from runway 24 after airborne. Maintain runway heading until flight level 100 before right down to Bravo Zulu climbing to flight level 390.
Okay, then in that case what we will do is we will maintain runway heading to flight level 100. Then we will turn for Bravo Zulu, which is not the Bravo Zulu 3 Alpha departure. So runway heading flight level 100, then a right turn to Brazzaville, timing 390. Confirmed.
That's correct, sir. Report ready for departure running 24 until the loop.
So,
yeah, we maintain landing heading after 100, then we turn
to Brazzaville.
Brazzaville, climb 390.
So on the next page, I believe as we have, we will use heading select for takeoff.
Yeah, exactly.
And at flight level 100.
I put this one on the top, yeah.
So takeoff review, runway heading, flight level 100, flight 390. We set 390, right?
Yeah.
We set 390.
He's trying to create a lot of difficulties.
Oh yes, yeah.
Asshole. Asshole, right? Video. I'm sorry. Erase this section.
Before takeoff checklist, please.
Flaps.
20.
Takeoff briefing.
It is reviewed.
Cabin. Secure. Before takeoff check is completed.
Okay, line up items, please.
This is on radar, terrain, X, 4 degrees. Before takeoff check is completed, exam clearance. Ready for departure. Run 346 Papa.
Runner 346 Papa, clear for takeoff running 24, wind is calm. Report 2,500 feet runway heading landing.
Okay, we come clear takeoff, call you 2,500 after takeoff. Around 346 Papa. We have clearance.
Runway heading check.
Check.
Everyone ready?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Can we take off thrust? Stable. Trigger. Thrust set.
Just set. 80.
Check.
V1. Rotate. Positive.
Gear up. Heading select.
Heading select.
First wave, heading select, the announcement.
Check. I will run 346 Papa now, passing 2,500. Keep runway heading, climbing, flight level 100.
That's correct, sir. 17749, contact approach 197. Go fly back.
129.7, bye-bye.
1197.
119.7. 119.7.
I say again 119.7.
60 over Bravo Zulu.
Americo 351 Kilshap. Cockpit clear, localizer 10 runway 24. KNX 1017. Report 3,000 feet of Samisha localizer.
Hotel Playful Flyer Tango by Bravo Zulu. It's called 3,000 feet established flight.
Now run 346 Papa with you, just airborne, maintaining runway heading, climbing flight level 100.
Roger. Altitude passing.
4000.
And now passing 4,200.
Flaps 10.
Roger. Maintain runway 18 until cut level 100. Before normal again to Bravo Zulu cut level 360. Report the floating cut level
Flaps
100 runway 18.
And call you back when we are approaching 100, maintaining runway heading, climbing flight level 100.
Flaps 1.
1.
Set standard.
Standard.
Standard set. Passing flight level.
Check.
45. And safety altitude now.
Yeah.
Flaps up.
Flaps up.
After takeoff checklist.
1346 Papa cut level passing.
And now passing 5-7.
57 copy. Additional continental radio 18 cut level 070 minimum before normal aviation to Bravo Zulu cut level 360. Report the 40 cut level 070 runway 18.
And now we are passing runway heading 070, turning right, Brazzaville, climbing 360.
Charlie. Report 40 cut level 070.
We already passed 070 and on 3461.
Okay, first of all,
Roger,
36.
contact Brazzaville.
360.
Say again frequency.
116 small one. Brazzaville 116 small.
Okay, I'm turning heading select to Brazzaville. Brazzaville in the next page.
Yeah, I already put,
Executed.
I did it, LNAV is available. After takeoff checklist completed. Yes, here we are heading.
Once we're around the corner, then we'll go
Okay.
hell there, maybe. Otherwise, we'll take some back off.
Approaching 10,000.
So, lights off.
Brazzaville, good morning. Around 346 Papa with you. Now proceeding to Bravo Zulu, climbing 360.
You run 346 at Papa at 45403. 45403 for radar. And confirm level requested.
And we are requesting level 390 if possible.
Yeah, destination via Onuda clearance means level 390 and report over Bravo Zulu.
Call you Bravo Zulu and climbing 390.
That's up.
390.
And scope 5403. 5403.
5403 coming down.
We make Brazzaville active waypoint again, please.
Brazzaville,
Direct.
executing.
Okay, I got 201 on the runway 0954.
LMAV.
Yeah, that's
select.
Lights off, please.
Okay, lights off.
Central autopilot command.
Center autopilot, engage.
Command.
Check.